Hi guys, welcome to Soft Jobs. In this video I am going to tell you about L&T Technologies recruitment process. L&T, Lassen and Toubro, hiring freshers for the role of software engineer. Let's see where is the location and what is the CTC offered for this role and what are the key requirements and skills expecting from the candidate. Designation is software engineer and coming to the location is in Hyderabad, India. Coming to job biography, excellent team player working under supervision to always deliver optimal engineering solutions with a due knowledge of tools as per project requirements. Coming to job purpose, the scope of the role is to assist the team, provide quality deliverables in alignment with the organization policies. Responsibilities include understanding the project scope, upgrading technical skills, knowledge of embedded hardware and software, tools and procedures related to the project and adherence to the quality standards. Let's see the education details. Candidate should be diploma engineers or engineering graduate. Coming to experience details, 0 to 24 months, less than 2 years. So freshers also can apply. Coming to impact and influence, impacts the team and customer satisfaction with contribution towards project delivery by analyzing requirements and ensuring defect-free technical solutions. Impacts overall quality and cost by leveraging knowledge of right tools and techniques and by consistently delivering high quality work as per schedule. Influencing the team by being an excellent team player and assisting others with task completion. Coming to principal accountabilities, A, technical management. In technical management, understands requirements, tool engineering, design awareness and knowledge, skill development and contribution, technical solution generation, review. Coming to project management, project planning and execution, project review and reporting, knowledge management, risk identification. Coming to process management, process awareness and compliance, process productivity or improvement tools, quality awareness and compliance. Coming to principal accountabilities B, leadership competencies, analytics thinking, technical understanding, effective communication, adaptability, teamwork, customer focus, execution and effectiveness. Coming to technical part, good in programming of C or C++ with advanced skill in data structure, algorithms, C++, STL, Linux and Windows environment, good understanding of OS concepts, debugging skills on multiple systems, expertise in kernel driver development in at least one OS, either Windows or Linux or FreeBSD, and have an experience in performance analysis debugging for the data center application, specifically power management, experience in x86 optimization, thorough understanding of processor architecture in cache subsystem, instruction set architecture, registers. Engineers should have good mathematical background like linear algebra, FFT, good understanding of interfaces and knowledge of one or more CPU profiling tools. Working experience on Intel MKL libraries would be a great asset. I will give link in the description. Before applying, check one's roles and responsibilities in detail. Let's see how to apply for this process. Now click on apply button. If you already have an account, enter your email ID and password. Click on sign in button. If you are a new user, click on create an account to apply for this job. After registration, fill the application form and then click on apply button. Hope you like the video. For more updates, subscribe to our channel Soft Jobs.